Everyone, in today's video we will see how to cancel the GTA Plus on PC Rockstar launcher, stop subscription and auto renewal. First, how to cancel the GTA Plus on PC Rockstar launcher. To cancel the GTA Plus on PC, log into the Rockstar game launcher and navigate to the GTA Plus tab and select manage to turn off auto renew. If purchased via Steam or Epic Game, you must cancel directly through those specific platform subscription setting instead. Now, how to cancel the GTA Plus on PC Rockstar launcher. So open the launcher, then launch the Rockstar game launcher on your PC and log into your account. Then you can access the subscription menu. So click on the dedicated GTA Plus tab or menu option located in the top navigation bar. Now manage membership. So select the manage GTA Plus button to pull up your account subscription control panel. Then turn off auto renewal. So click on the option to cancel the subscription or toggle off auto renewal. Then confirm and verify selection to finalize the cancellation. Now alternative method to cancel via web browser. If you cannot open the launcher, you can manage the subscription through the web. So navigate to the official Rockstar game account portal, then log in and go to your account setting. Then locate the GTA Plus management page and choose the cancel an option under your subscription setting. Now the important membership rule. Keep existing benefit. After cancellation, you will retain access to all active GTA Plus in-game benefit, reward and the Rockstar game library until your current 30-day billing cycle officially expire. Then the second step, third party purchases. If you purchase GTA Plus on PC through Steam, Epic Game Store or Xbox app for PC, you cannot cancel it using the Rockstar launcher. Instead, you must log into these specific platform account and navigate to their respective subscription section to turn off recurring billing. So goodbye and thanks for watching.